Nigerians have called on the federal government to subsidize farm implements for the farmers and also help tackle the issue of herdsmen and farmer clash. Victoria Tokolo, who spoke to Lagosians on food scarcity, brings us more in this report as presented from our studio.
The price of food products is becoming unaffordable for Nigerians. In market survey by Trust TV, it was observed that food items like tomatoes, rice, beans, palm oil and melon are part of the most expensive at the moment. According to the survey, a derica of beans now costs 1,700 naira, 5 pieces of tomatoes cost 500 naira, with a derica of melon seeds, otherwise known as egusi, now costs 2,200 naira. In a chat with Trust Television on these issues, citizens bear their minds on what government and the people should do to make food more affordable.
Government should find a way to look for solutions to address the menace of herdsmen on our farmers.
We have to go back to agriculture because with the situation of things now, everybody is facing these challenges. But however it may be, we have to go back to agriculture. We have everybody planting whatsoever is able to do. And the back of this, everybody's house, we have compulsory a space. Let us plant something there, maybe or anything.
Nigerians, however, urge the federal government to subsidize price of agricultural products.
Restore people. So we as well have to be fair on ourselves. Yes, I know we are in business to make profit, but then as citizens too, we need to do it in a way that it will not actually affect our fellow citizens.
Government have to subsidize fertilizer for the farmers. We have to give them loans. Even the loans we talk about, the so-called loan we talk about in CBN, they are giving the loan to where now those who are in power, who are not even using the loan for the right channels, they are telling you to marry more wives.
It is believed that if government can assist the farmers with farms, implements and ensure security of farmers, opening of the border for exportation, much food with lower prices will be available for the citizens.